Are you still battling with a traditional heavy-duty welding mask? Sweat no more. Here I bring you a simple, lightweight, automatic darkening welding glass. Weld like a professional and boost your capacity. This is a special safety welding glass designed for both learners and professionals. I bet you this special tool will improve your welding experience. It will also save you from all unexpected light flashing into your eyes. It will also reduce the accumulated heat within your face. No more red eyes and dark eyes. Will you give it a try today? It is just affordable for you. Make no excuses anymore.